guys, what is up? This is PS Gamer and the Awesome YouTube Man YT.
And I'm the Awesome YouTube Man YT. I am Leo.
Yes. This is Foxy. And hi guys, I'm Dirt. I don't even know if it's looking at me. And we will be doing the water bottle flip challenge.
Yes, this is gonna be MLB.
Tell us some other
let me try first.
You know, I would try first.
Leave in the comments down below what challenge we should do next. The Touch My Body challenge, the Helium challenge.
What's the what? The what?
Helium challenge is where you squirt air in your mouth using a balloon, and
You talk.
you try to make other people laugh.
And just so that you know,
We totally failed that video.
we are not nowhere close to do perfect.
We don't cut out parts, just so you guys know.
Yeah, we don't.
So,
Unless you're like in one of my videos and I'm like quantum stuff. But 360 also.
nope.
Nope, it's like.
Nope. Dang it. And this is dedicated to Donut, our old dog. You didn't see in any of our videos, but she was adorable.
Yeah. Die.
This is for you, Donut.
I'm gonna flip
Okay.
this water bottle.
This is for you, Donut.
Oh! Landed. Okay, I'm gonna flip
Wait,
this water bottle.
Let me show you guys something.
And it failed. Okay. We're just gonna keep on flipping these water bottles because we want to. Oh!
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna hit against that. We will cap it once in this video.
Let me do this.
There.
Leo, can you hold the camera?
Sure.
Okay, I will show them this bottle flip.
This is dedicated to
Donut.
one of my fans who made something for me, and I will do it and
Eventually shown in the
Eventually
video
shown in
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yeah, with our new dog, because they're both kind of new. And by the way, we first hit 6 subscribers. Well, the Gecko guy has 4, because 2 people unsubscribed.
So please subscribe to me.
Yeah, please
Yes.
subscribe to the Awesome YouTube Man
And
YT.
I will be showing you guys this. This is also dedicated to everybody who subscribes to us.
Isaac is her
Let's
dad's.
go.
Isaac is her dog's name, and Isaac is trying to.
So
No,
That never happened.
This is dedicated to one of my fans.
That never happened.
One of my
that's
fans-
dedicated to one of his fans.
This is dedicated to one of my fans that copied my YouTube channel, and they're so mean. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, this is dedicated to one of my other friends.
Did I copy your YouTube channel by any chance? Ow, my finger!
So,
I mean, like it's my paw saying that I'm a lion, but
Gecko
my
guy.
finger.
So Dirt just landed this, and remember that was to all my fans. And yeah,
Can I show you guys something? Guys, can I show you something? Look at. I'm not looking, right? I'll be looking at you guys. Ready? So I'm looking at you guys, right? I'm looking backwards. Look, I'm looking backwards. Can't see anything.
I can do it.
Oh! I landed it!
He did. Here, hold this, and point it at me, at this water bottle.
Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up.
That just
Crap
landed.
about you.
Guys, that just landed. It really didn't. It landed over here like that. Look at this. This is
dedicated to everybody.
Yeah. Yo!
That's it in your.
Eyes closed. Ready? Ready? So, eyes closed. Ready, guys? Looking at you guys. We landed it. We landed. Yeah, the gecko guy. Kind of failed it. So, guys. Bye. Bye. Seth.